Hi everyone, I'm Randy Weaver, owner of CSN Walkerton, Owen Sound and Listowel.
So let's start out. How did you get your start in collision repair?
Collision repair has always been in our family. I started right out of high school and apprenticed and started building the team right in Walkerton.
What's the most challenging part of working in collision repair generally?
Change. It's ever-changing industry, like a lot of industries, but with the technology of the vehicles, with the demands of our insurance partners and change in administration, change is always the challenge.
And so why CSN?
When I first met the owners of CSN, I knew they were the best in the class. The advantages of CSN for us in Walkerton was actually to reach outside of Walkerton, add locations. It became a natural fit. We have the reputation of the CSN. So opening number 2 to number 3 has been a dream. I know to this day that I would not be an MSO if it wasn't for CSN.